How to make a simple timer. First, let's make a timer node. Let's make a script. Let's select the timer node. Click node and select timeout. Connect. Let's make a variable called seconds. And a variable called minutes. Let's copy both variables and place a capital D in both of them, and this will be the default of the two variables. Let's set the default to 30 seconds and the default to 1 minute. Let's add a label to show the time in the timer. Then, let's make another function called reset timer. Let's set our variables to our default. Then, let's go to our ready function and use our reset timer function. Let's set our labels text to our minutes and seconds. Then, let's type if seconds is equal to 0, if minutes is greater than 0, then minutes minus equals 1. Seconds equals 60. Seconds minus equals 1. Our timer should have auto start on. Let's test it out. It works. Remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel.